Now, next point in this chapter, the number of elements in set. The number of elements in set. संचातील घटकांची संख्या. Let A be the finite set. Finite set. Let A be the finite set. The number of elements. The number of elements in set A is denoted by that is N. Is denoted by that is N. Okay? For example, A is equal to 3, 5, 9, and B is equal to 5, 7, 9, 11. Clear? Example, A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, B is equal to 5, 7, 9, 11. Now, number of elements in set A 1, 2, 3, NA is equal to 3, and NB is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4. Number of element 3, number of element 4, that is the set A contain 3 elements. Now, set of B contain 4 elements. So therefore, A is equal to 3, NB is equal to 4. Now here, that is A union B is equal to, या संचाचा संयोग घ्यायचा. A union B is equal to काय? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. सर्व घटक एकत्रित, that is the collection of all the elements. A union B is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. That is number of A union number of A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is A union B is equal to, that is 5. Number of A union B is equal to 5. त्यातील घटकांची संख्या ही झाली 5. Similarly, calculate A intersection B. A intersection B, that is the by definition, the common element. Common element बघायचं त्याच्यामध्ये 3, 5. Here is 5, here is 9, here is 5, here is 9. So therefore, common element, that is 5, 9. 5, 9. So therefore, that is number of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B is equal to 2. That is the number of elements set. संख्यातील घटकांची संख्या. Number of A is equal to 3. Number of B is equal to 4. Number of A union B is equal to 5. Number of A intersection B is equal to 2. Clear? Now, from these elements, number of elements, we have to verify formula, or we have to prepare the formula. Which is formula? That is, formula is that is number of A union B is equal to NA plus number of B and B minus number of A intersection B. हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे, हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला व्हेरीफाय करायचा आहे. हा फॉर्म्युला काय करायचा आपल्याला? व्हेरीफाय करायचा आहे. That is number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now here, that is NA, number of A plus number of B is equal to, दोघांची करायची बेरीज. Number of A plus number of B is equal to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. NA plus NB is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now, that is number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B is equal to NA. How many? NA is equal to, that is 3. 3 plus NB is equal to 4 minus A intersection B is equal to how many? 2. So therefore, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So therefore, that is number of A plus number of B is number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B is equal to 5 by here. Na plus Nb minus number of A intersection B is equal to 5. So therefore, A युनियन बी इज इक्वल टू हियर इज 1, याला एक नाव द्यायचं, अँड नंबर ऑफ A युनियन बी इज इक्वल टू हाऊ मेनी, नंबर ऑफ A युनियन बी इज इक्वल टू 5, याला 2 नाव द्यायचं, you name it 2. From 1 and 2, that is from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, number of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus number of A intersection B is the formula to calculate the number of elements of any set. Number of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus number of A intersection B is the formula to calculate the number of elements in each set. Clear? Now practice set 1.4. See the example. Number 1, if NA is equal to 50, N A union B is equal to 29, number of A intersection B is equal to 7, then find the value of number of B, that is the element of B. Given here, number of A is equal to 50, number of A union B is equal to 29, number of A intersection B is equal to 7. Now we have to formula, we have to prove, that is number of A union B, number of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus number of A intersection B is equal to, that is A union B is equal to how many, 29, put the value, NA is equal to 50 plus calculate, that is number of B minus number of A intersection B is equal to 7, put the proper value, then 29 is equal to 15 minus 7 plus 8 plus number of B. Now transfer it, 29 minus 8 is equal to number of B, remaining here 21 is equal to number of B, so therefore number of B is equal to 21 is the required answer. तर अशा प्रकारे त्या फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर करून आपल्याला नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतात, each and every elements, each and every set. Clear? Number of B is equal to 21. Another example, in a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink both tea and coffee. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. That is the first problem. First to read carefully. काळजीपूर्वक उदाहरण वाचायचं, कोणती माहिती दिली आहे ती पाहायची, नंतर त्याच्यावरून त्याच्यासाठी सफिक्स घ्यायचे आणि उदाहरण सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. नाउ इन ए हॉस्टेल देयर आर 125 स्टुडंट्स. हॉस्टेल आहे, त्या हॉस्टेल वरती एकूण जे विद्यार्थी आहेत ते 125 आहेत. इन केस ऑफ that is hostel, that is the in case of set, that is the universal set. आपल्या संदर्भात संचाच्या संदर्भात तो विश्व संच आहे, so therefore you be the universal set. Here you be the universal set, so therefore that is you be the universal set, that is u is equal to number of u is equal to 125. number of u is equal to how many, 125. एकूण विद्यार्थी त्या हॉस्टेलवरची संख्या आहे 125 आणि इन केस ऑफ सेट हॉस्टेल इज ए युनिव्हर्सल सेट, विश्वसंच आहे आणि म्हणून u be the universal set, nu is equal to 125. now one by one, which drink tea, that is the number of students, the number of students who drink tea, the number of students who drink tea. शक्यतोपर्यंत त्या संदर्भातला शब्द जर घेतला, अल्फाबेट जर घेतला तर अधिक चांगलं, नाही एक्स वाय झेड एबीसीडी कुठलं घेता येतं. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट हु ड्रिंक टी, दॅट इज NT is equal to how many students, that is 80 students. So therefore, number of students who drink tea, that is 80. So therefore, NT is equal to T. Suffix is T. T. Here T chai. That's the suffix आपण काय घेतलं T. The number of students, the number of students, number of students, number of students who drink coffee, who drink coffee, coffee that is the coffee C. So therefore, number of C is equal to how many students? That is 60. 60 असे विद्यार्थी आहे ते कॉफी पितात, 80 असे विद्यार्थी आहे ते चहा पितात. अगेन ड्रिंक बोथ ऑफ टी और कॉफी एंड कॉफी 20 विद्यार्थी असे आहेत की दोन्ही पितात. द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स who drink coffee, tea and coffee both. The number of students who drink both tea and coffee, that is T number of T intersection C, number of T intersection C is equal to 20. अशी विद्यार्थी 20 ही दोन्ही घेतात. That is the 20. Clear? Now we have to calculate. काय calculate करायचं? Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. दोन्ही न घेणारी संख्या काढायची आहे. First to calculate, that is the union. आणि मग युनियन काढल्यानंतर आपल्याला युनिव्हर्सल मधून युनियन मायनस जर केला तर आपल्याला संख्या मिळेल द नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट हु डू नॉट ड्रिंक टी और कॉफी. आपल्याला जी संख्या पाहिजे, जे विद्यार्थी पाहिजे ते काय होईल? पहिले सुरुवातीला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं number of A union B by means of, that is T union C. So therefore, by formula इथे the number of students who drink tea or coffee, that is number of T union C is equal to how many? First calculate. पहिले सुरुवातीला कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागेल. That is formula number of T union C is equal to NA plus T NT plus NC minus number of T intersection C. त्या संदर्भात आपण वापरून आलेलो आहे. T number of T union C is equal to NT plus NC minus number of T intersection C is equal to NT. Calculate, that is put the value NT 80 plus 60 minus 20 is equal to 80 plus 60 140 minus 20 is equal to 120. So therefore, number of T union C is equal to 120. संयोग जर बघितलं आपण तर 120 विद्यार्थी असे आहेत कॉफी घेतात किंवा चहा घेतात, असे 120 विद्यार्थी आहेत. परंतु आपल्याला काय विचारलंय द नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स हु डू नॉट ड्रिंक टी और कॉफी. असे किती विद्यार्थी आहेत की दोन्ही घेत नाही. सो देयरफॉर दॅट इज द नंबर ऑफ students who do not drink tea or coffee is equal to, that is number of universal set U minus number of T union C. या दोघांची काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला? वजा करावं लागेल. number of U minus number of T union C is equal to number of U is equal to 125. 125 minus 120, here is 5. So therefore the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee 5. म्हणजे 5 विद्यार्थी असे की दोन्ही पे पित नाही, कॉफी पित नाही, चहा पित नाही, अशी विद्यार्थी संख्या किती आहे? 5. So therefore write in word the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee और कॉफी इज फाईन. अशा प्रकारचं आपल्याला वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लेम या पद्धतीमध्ये सोडवता येते. तर याचा आधार घेऊन आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 कंप्लीट करायचे. काही अडचण असल्यास आपण त्यावरती चर्चा करू शकता. ठीक आहे.